Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a €10 minimum deposit. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM, or ForexTime, is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2011. Serving clients in over 180 countries, it's known for its transparency, reliability, and strong regulatory framework under authorities like the FCA, CySEC, and FSCA. FXTM offers access to a wide range of markets, all through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. With competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wealth of educational resources, FXTM aims to empower traders of all levels with the tools, knowledge, and support needed to trade confidently in global markets. The broker gives traders access to more than 1,000 instruments across global markets. Their offering includes major asset classes such as Forex, commodities, metals, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, futures CFDs, ETF CFDs, and crosses CFDs. FXTM's diversified instrument lineup makes it suitable for traders who want flexibility to explore different markets and asset types. From traditional shares and commodities to more speculative instruments like crypto and futures. FXTM provides traders with a versatile suite of trading platform options designed to suit different styles and devices. At its core are the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, both available on desktop, mobile, and web browser versions. For mobile-centric or beginner traders, the broker also offers its own proprietary mobile trading application, which acts both as an account management interface and trading platform. It links directly to your MetaTrader account in the background while providing in-app dashboards, printing instrument lists, trade signals, and an economic calendar for on-the-go trading. The broker offers a variety of trading account types designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their Advantage account is the most popular option, featuring ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips and access to a wide range of instruments. It's available on both MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms with a minimum deposit of around $200. For traders who prefer commission-free trading, the Advantage Plus account provides the same market access but with slightly wider spreads starting from about 1.5 pips, also available on MetaTrader 4 and 5. Lastly, their Advantage Stocks account is tailored specifically for equity traders, offering direct access to global stocks with no commission, tight spreads, and trading exclusively through the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Overall, FXTM's account options are flexible, transparent, and designed to give traders the freedom to choose what best fits their strategy and goals. The broker provides a robust knowledge hub full of free educational content across all experience levels. Traders can dive into guides and tutorials covering basics like what is Forex, candlestick patterns, strategy types, and risk management. Their ebooks, often authored by seasoned market analysts, explore topics in more depth, from trading habits to technical theories. For those who prefer watching and listening, the broker offers a series of educational videos, spanning foundational concepts to advanced tactics. They also host seminars and webinars, allowing traders to engage live with expert presenters, ask questions, and absorb market insights. They also feature a library of articles and market commentary, which keeps users updated on technical patterns, economic developments, and trading perspectives, all written by experienced analysts. Whether you're just starting out or refining your edge, FXTM's education suite gives you structured reading, visual learning, and interactive formats to level up your trading knowledge. At number 4 on our list is Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online Forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of Forex trading. Coming in at number 3, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R-Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, IQ Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, IQ Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. IQ Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. IQ Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. IQ Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. IQ Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, IQ Option's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a €10 minimum deposit, we have NordFX. Founded in 2008, NordFX is a global Forex and CFD broker serving clients in many countries. They offer a wide range of trading instruments via the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, including mobile applications, with accounts starting from just $10. NordFX provides low spreads from 0 pips, fast execution speeds, leverage up to 1 to 1000, and also supports social and copy trading options, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders. NordFX provides traders with a broad range of instruments to diversify their portfolios and trade across global markets. This includes over 30 Forex currency pairs, covering majors, minors, and exotics, as well as precious metals like gold and silver. Traders can also access energy commodities such as crude oil and natural gas, major stock indices including the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones, as well as individual stocks through CFDs. Additionally, the broker offers a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Solana, which can be traded 24/7, giving traders flexibility and opportunities in both traditional and digital markets. NordFX offers traders the popular MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, available on desktop, web, and mobile. MetaTrader 4 provides fast execution, real-time analysis, and support for automated trading with expert advisors, while MetaTrader 5 expands on these features with a multi-asset terminal and includes over 80 technical indicators, an integrated economic calendar, and a strategy tester. Both platforms allow custom indicators and scripts, combining flexibility, advanced tools, and strong security for traders of all levels. NordFX offers 4 main types of accounts to suit different trader profiles, split between the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. Their Pro accounts are designed for traders wanting low entry costs and no commissions, with a minimum deposit of $10 for MetaTrader 4 or $50 for MetaTrader 5, with floating spreads. Their Zero accounts, on the other hand, offer ultra-tight or zero spreads starting from 0.0 pips and access to interbank liquidity, but comes with a small commission per trade. All accounts support up to 1 to 1,000 leverage and provide access to a wide range of instruments. NordFX offers a rich educational ecosystem with a learning center full of tutorials, detailed guides, and a glossary to help traders, from beginners to pros. Their useful articles cover core topics like technical analysis, as well as algo trading. For practical learning, NordFX provides a CFD demo account with virtual funds, letting users practice in real market conditions without risking real money. The broker also maintains a robust news and analysis section, where market analysts deliver weekly and daily forecasts on Forex and cryptocurrency trends. Whether it's a macro outlook for currency pairs or crypto price predictions, the commentary is tailored to help traders anticipate market moves. They also provide in-depth articles on market sentiment, technical versus fundamental analysis, and how to use tools like their economic calendar to inform trading decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a €10 minimum deposit on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.